any evidence?
Your Honor, so far as the cybercrime division is concerned, the purpose is the investigation of the alleged grave threats and inciting prosecution. Ngayon, pagdating doon whether or not na-execute na o nalimutusan, I think ang makakasagot kung ganun yung aming director kasi sa kanya po yung punong information. Pero at the same time, yung jurisdiction nila yan, nasa intelligence service po natin. Kami yung nasa investigation. So far as the NBI, cybercrime division is concerned at that time, nag-focus kami sa grave threat and inciting prosecution. But in so far as whether the bank engage sa presidente, jurisdiction nila yan ang ating intelligence service. At maybe ang makakasagot niya yung aming director, kasi siya po yung recipient full of information. Hindi ka lang credentials and resources.
You mean inciting to sedition will be answered by the director, is that correct? Kasi parang hindi ko natalakay kanina yung inciting to sedition. Is it?
Well, Your Honor, inciting to sedition, in our investigation, we were able to establish that those utterances from 18 October 2024, November 23, 2024, and other facts and circumstances, even November 26, 2024, we believe that those utterances have a tendency to steer other people to go against the government, have a tendency to disturb the public peace of the community, the peace of the community, and have a tendency to undermine public safety and public order. And I think that's elements of the inciting to sedition.
I have asked two questions. Mr. President, so presiding officer. So you're saying they're intertwined? Killing the president and then inciting the people to revolt against the government, they're intertwined. So what you're saying?
Based on our findings, Your Honor.
Based on your finding. And what could be the motive of the vice president inciting people to sedition, to revolt against the government, when in fact she will be the next president of the republic? She's been saying, and everybody knows, and she's been claiming. Well, what do you think? I mean, did you look people? Why incite a sedition? I mean, in fact, you're the vice president. Usually, in our country, it's the witness, the vice president of the presidency. What could be the motive?
Well, Your Honor, what we have established is the fact that the relationship between the two were already hostile. And what we established is the fact that the Vice President has committed great threats, inciting to sedition. Yung focus namin, Your Honor, as well as yung mas malalim pa ng motibo, wala akong personal knowledge.
Alright. Well, I'm running out of time. Can you identify the strongest piece of evidence which you rely